This is my 2005 Chevy Tahoe. The plan here is to change the bulbs in the cluster. So to take out the cluster I have to remove this frame. This just clips, so we just pull it out. I have to move the gear lever. Now I have access to all the instruments.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right.
There is 4 7mm screws. Take the cluster out.
Yeah, true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't
Try not to lose the screws. The cluster have original bulbs in it now. The plan is to change to LEDs. The LEDs I'm gonna use have fixed resistors in them. So they work on 12 volts, easy.
Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
You just need to press down on the gray part of the contact. There, cluster is out. So now we go to the workbench. So here we are on the bench. To open up the cluster, I need to pull these tabs. Like this. And there is a couple of tabs hiding under here.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed?
There. Then I use some masking tape to mark where the needles are standing. So I put them back into the right spot right place. And I use a plastic pry bar to take off the needles.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
There. I took the cluster back into the car and I measured all the bulbs to find out where the negative and the positive are. So all the black dots are the negative side of the bulb, if you can see them. So I'm only changing the bulbs on the white part of the board, not this one, because it's the cruise control and the indication lights. The bulbs are soldered on the top side of the board, so we have to solder them out by heating the pad just slightly and use some force on the bulb, like this. And then I take the other side and force the other way. I apply some new solder to some of the pads. Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories. So I'm gonna use the old blue brackets, so I easily can solder in the new LEDs. I have tested and cut one of the legs on the new LEDs shorter than the other to mark what's positive and negative on the LED, because there are no markings on these LEDs. Try to mount the LEDs like this. Then I cut the legs shorter with a side cutter. And it's a good advice to mark the negative and positive of the LED. I gently push the legs down a bit. there. Just heat the pad and push the new LED down on in the solder.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
There.
Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
One down. 7 to go.
Stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no.
Done. It's time to put it back in the car. Hopefully everything works. Cluster is back in place. And what a change. Much better than the original bulbs. So, hope you liked the video and follow my channel. See you next time.